Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS29 in strawberry. Alright, let's grab our scissors, and let's open it on up. And inside each box you'll get your product, you'll get a set of screws which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box, and you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. First, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. Okay, and then let's take the plate off for installation. Nice and simple, grab at the edges with your fingertips and push forward with your palm. Okay, comes off nice and easy, just like that. The two holes on the side here are your screw holes. That's where you're going to put the screws through to fasten to your pattress box. Flipping it on over, you'll notice at the top here that it's BS and CE certified. Okay, and you'll also notice the big difference between a two-way and an intermediate here. Okay, it's the screw hole terminals. A two-way has 3 and an intermediate has 4. The reason that you'd get an intermediate over a two-way is if you want to control your lights from 3 separate locations. Otherwise, the two-way you can be able to control from 2 locations. Also, these modules are interchangeable, so if you notice after you bought it that you need 2 9s, you can just pop this one out, put the new one in, and you're good to go. Okay, let's take our plate and let's put that back on, just like that. And then we'll take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. Okay, on the one side here, you have a whole bunch of social media platforms, which if you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, we would greatly appreciate it. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. Also in the bottom right-hand corner, you'll notice a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, and you can get a whole bunch of tips and tricks on how to install the light switches and sockets. Okay, finally, let's take a look at the bag that it comes in. On the bottom here is our SKU code, the ART-SS2 for the two-way, 9 for the intermediate, and SB for strawberry. On the center here, you have a barcode. And in the top left, you'll also notice another Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see the full range of Trendi products there. Finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice the recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here. So you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day, so please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as to what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.